Okay, so I'm pretty excited today. We got the homebrew kit in the mail. This is the Homebrew Ohio K7 kit. It's the Gold Complete Beer Equipment kit with the 5-gallon glass carboy. I have not opened this yet. I'm going to open it and see if everything is in the box, just like in this picture here. Okay, you've seen the picture. You should know what to expect. I know what I expect. There are some reviews that say that not everything's always in the box and not everything's always in the best condition. Let's open it live, take a look at it, and then we'll look at each individual piece to see, exactly what comes in this kit. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you can see the box is open there. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Appears to be the lid for the bucket. Got some packing material. We've got our instructions and some nozzles and such. Hose. Bottle capper. That's actually a little bit nicer than people were saying it was. This looks to be the hydrometer. We'll take a look at this a little closer in a couple seconds. Something else wrapped in plastic. I'll open that in a second too. Bottle brush. There's the glass carboy. And there's the brewing bucket. As you can see, Homebrew Ohio. Got the cutout for the spigot there at the bottom. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box. The box is empty. Let's go to the bar top. Okay, so you saw me take everything out of the box. I've moved everything up to the bar top here. I have spared you the video about me fighting the plastic to get all this stuff off because I was almost defeated by the plastic and I really didn't want that on video. So anyhow, let's go through piece by piece and make sure that everything that is said to be in this kit actually arrived in this kit, because again, that's one of the big complaints that I've seen online about buying these homebrew kits is either something's broken or not everything's in the kit. So let's go ahead and get started with that. It starts off by saying that the brewing guide and the instructions are in there. Yep, there they are. It says you've got a 7.8 gallon fermenting bucket with a lid that's been drilled and has a grommet in it. So there's the bucket. There's the lid, and it has been drilled and it does have the grommet in there. Okay, moving right along, we've got the True Brew rack and fill kit. That's all these pieces here. That's this, that's this, that's these little plastic guys here. Again, I've never done this before, so you're gonna have to bear with me a little bit here, folks. So that's that. So that's all in there. 5-gallon glass carboy. Probably worth it for the kit price alone. So there's that. Fermenter thermometer. Well, it's a stick-on thermometer, and I honestly don't know how good a quality that's going to be. So right off the bat, you might just want to go ahead and buy yourself another one. So, but there's that. They do actually technically have that in the kit. Vino drilled stopper. That's this little guy here. Hydrometer. You have the LD Carlson hydrometer. It's still inside the plastic, obviously, there. I'm not taking that out. Bottling spigot. Got the bottling spigot right there. Double lever capper. We've already shown you that a little bit when I was unboxing it, so there's that. 3-piece airlock system. Again, very, very valuable. I learned all about these when I was visiting a moonshine still, actually. So, very important. And bottle brush. There we go, there's our bottle brush. And Seabright Sanitizer 8-pack. And here's where I kind of have an issue. There's only 2 packets, not 8. But other than that, everything is in the kit. Everything looks really nice. Everything seems to be pretty good quality. Again, I'm kind of new to this. I just kind of actually bought all this on a whim. So, see if I could do it. Whatever. What am I going to be making with this? Actually, I'm not going to be doing beer right off the bat or anything like that, or wine. Actually, I'm going to be doing mead. That's kind of my plan, and I know for all those out there who are going to give me negative comments on that, I know I don't need all this equipment to make mead. You can actually make mead in your kitchen fairly easily, but having the bucket and the carboy alone for making the mead is worth the price of what I paid for this kit. I think this entire kit was well less than $100. I got a good deal on it on Amazon, so it is what it is. But that's it. That's the unboxing. That's what's in this kit for anybody who's wondering. At least that's what came in mine. I don't know if yours is going to be any different than that. But that's the unboxing. That's what we've got here. Again, everything from Homebrew, Ohio. And I'll shoot you another video when we start making some mead. And we'll kind of go from there. Before we continue the video, there's one quick thing I wanted to show you that the folks at Homebrew, Ohio actually think ahead of time about. When they tap the hole for the brewing bucket, they actually keep in mind that the spigot you're going to attach to the side of it, it's going to stick down a little bit. So they've actually tapped it at the right height so that when you put it on the side, you can still sit the bucket level on a counter and not have to worry about putting it on the edge of the counter so that because the spigot has to hang over or whatever. As you can see, once I put that in there, it's not going to be any problem with that sitting on a level surface. Just wanted to point that out because that is one of the positive things that I've heard about Homebrew, Ohio and the way they tap their buckets. So, you know, thumbs up on that. Back to the rest of the video. If you've enjoyed this video, if it's proved to be informational, helpful to you whatsoever, I'd certainly appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like the randomness of the stuff that we cover around here. And tell your friends about it. Or don't. Either way, with any luck, I'll see you on the next video. The video's over. You can go now if you want. Hey, but before you go, why don't you think about giving me a thumbs up like or maybe even subscribing to my channel? I'd certainly appreciate it.